Hi everyone, I am Luca Giaroli, CEO of DirectOut. As a company, we've always been driven by two passions, technology and music. This has led us to develop a high-end audio solution for mission-critical applications. Through our Prodigy and Maven, we've been part of the biggest live tours and broadcast application around the world. And this is where probably you have come to know DirectOut. But the truth is, until now, that level of technology has only been accessible to large-scale productions. Today, we want to introduce a new game changer for the PA and the playback community, born from a simple question. Can this power be for everyone? We are excited to introduce ACE, the latest addition to our audio platforms family. ACE is a multifunction, multi-format audio processor and interface that adapts to any situation, playback rigs, drive racks, or custom integration. It gives you a flexible base you can count on. ACE takes the same technology and build quality of Prodigy and Maven and introduces three important new ideas. A portable form factor, a new simplified way to control it, and for the first time, a way to make accessible this DirectOut technology to freelancers and small productions. It fits your backpack, it fits your budget, and it's ready for any production. Want to know more about ACE? Let's start from the hardware. On the front panel, you get a touch display, an encoder, and a couple of buttons, so you can work directly on the device when you need to. Right next to them, there are 4 independent headphones output, so you can create separate listening setups for you, your artist, or your team. Now let's move to the rear panel. You get 4 mic in and 4 analog line out, 4 AS3 input with SRC, and 4 AS3 outputs on these sub-connectors, with dedicated breakout cables included. Then we have 4 MADI SFP ports, compatible with standard SFP transceiver, both optical and coaxial, DAC, and our new USB MADI module. That lets to connect to both consoles and computers at the same time. For audio networking, there are 2 RJ45 ports, available in either Dante or Milan version, depending on the model you choose. Sync in and out, GPIO, and control via RJ45 Ethernet, and both USB-A and C. 2 redundant USB-C inputs with locking screw, compatible with power supply provided in the box. The PSU of your laptop and even power banks acting as UPS are also compatible. In a single backpack, you can carry your ACE and all its accessories, your laptop, and you're ready for any job. Great hardware is the foundation, but the real game changer is how you control it. Like every DirectOut device, ACE is controlled by the software globcon. But with ACE, we've added something new, ACE modes. ACE modes are pre-configured, purpose-built UIs for specific jobs. Depending on the activated license, they bring together the tools and the functions you actually need in a new and simplified way. So you can work faster and stay focused. We have created ACE modes for two of our main markets, Playback and PA management. Claudio Scavazza, our head of development, will show you how they work.
With input from professionals in the field, we created a dedicated user interface and signal flow for playback and PA management. All ACE modes can be set up easily and quickly. So let's start with the first ACE mode, playback. With playback mode, you can set up ACE as a hub of your playback rig in a few clicks. You assign your main and backup playback computers, choose your outputs, and failover strategy is already built in. For vocal processing, there is a dedicated insert section. Select the ports, connect to redundant external units, choose the return channels, and ACE take care of the rest. Now, let's move to PA management and tuning modes. First up, PA4. PA4 lets you manage 4 redundant I/O streams, apply a cue, dynamics, and delay, and integrate with Smart for acoustic measurement. It's ideal for PA tuning and for handling signals from one or more consoles in small to mid-sized productions. Larger application, you can scale up to PA8. With the same logic as PA4, PA8 expands that approach to 8 I/O streams, making it ideal for larger festival and more complex PA workflows. But what if you want to unlock the full power of ACE? Just use the Prodigy mode. In Prodigy mode, you can run ACE with the same interface as the Prodigy and Maven series. This gives you complete customization of your workflow and lets you combine all installed functions freely. All these modes make ACE a true, powerful and flexible audio platform for any application and any requirement. Now, back to Luca.
ACE mode takes two ideas that are at the core of everything we do at DirectOut, flexibility and scalability, and push them even further. And these ideas don't stop at the control interface level. Like all our smart audio platform, ACE shares the same scalable, future-proof licensing model. And that matters, because accessibility is not just about size or workflow. It's also about giving professionals a smarter way to invest in the tools they actually need. Our Director of Sales and Business Development, Lorenzo Sassi, will give you a closer look.
ACE brings many of the capabilities of Prodigy and Maven in a more accessible way. A granular licensing system lets you start from what you need today and add more as you go. This makes ACE more accessible for freelancers and smaller productions from day one. So how do you buy and expand licenses? Along with ACE, we are launching new DirectOut cloud services where you can purchase and register perpetual licenses for your device. Expanding your platform is fast, simple, and just a few clicks away. Every ACE unit includes a first activation. At registration, you choose the path you want to take, PA tuning or playback. With the first activation, the device is ready for the field. It's the starting point of your new audio platform. Need fast SRC on a MADI port? Want more DSP packs? Need AutoMix? You can then expand your audio processing capabilities on the fly. Build what you need for today's gig and be ready to grow as your career does. And now, back to Luca.
A portable form factor, a simpler control experience, and a platform that can grow as you go. All brought together in a multi-format, multi-function processor powered by the best of DirectOut technology. ACE is the game changer that opens up the power that used to be reserved for a few. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see ACE in your projects, today and tomorrow.